Here's an example of yet another category of Nazi memorabilia. These are shoulder boards. They would identify what sort of rank, role a member of the German army would play. This is a super rare one, a unique position, the Festungsoberwerkmeister, the fortress superintendent. The person who would wear these would manage the personnel who would be in charge of the maintenance of the fortifications such as the West Wall or Atlantic Wall. So you can imagine what sort of role this person would play because of all the artillery involved in these fortifications and making sure that they functioned correctly and that they were well maintained, which is an incredible role when you think about it. You can't just build a fortress and let it sit there and expect for things to be ready when the time comes. You need to obviously keep up with what you built. So that's what this person would be in charge of, all the engineers. This would be a pretty bright person with a broad knowledge of artillery and fortifications, likely an engineer. So look at that frosty insignia on here. The colors dealt with the types of colors for identifying fortress fortifications, which is where you get that crimson color from. A real rare one here, these single armbands could fetch up to $500 just for a single armband, but obviously you would want to have the complete matching set, as most collectors seek after the matching pair. So in another example of just how many types of categories there are, and many times you'll see displays with dozens and dozens of shoulder boards lined up and framed, and it's quite impressive. So Festungsoberwerkmeister, the superintendent of the fortification personnel.